Hey developers, welcome to Codespace Academy. Today, we are going to share 5 quick tips to optimize your code for better performance. In this tutorial, we'll talk about how to optimize your code in 5 simple tips. We will be exploring essential strategies to improve your code's efficiency, readability, and performance, whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting. These tips will help you to write better, faster, and more maintainable code. Our first tip is about optimizing loops for better performance. Imagine you have two lists and you want to find common elements. A naive approach would involve nested loops, which can be slow for large datasets. Instead, consider converting one of the lists into a set. This way, you can take advantage of set lookups, which are significantly faster. By reducing the time complexity from big O of n to big O of n, your code becomes much more efficient, especially when working with large amounts of data. Tip 2 focuses on minimizing memory usage, especially when dealing with large data structures. When you use a list comprehension, the entire list is generated in memory. But if you switch to a generator expression, items are yielded one by one on demand. Now, this approach dramatically reduces memory consumption, making your code more efficient in memory constrained environments. It's a great significant with a small change. It's a small change with a great significant impact. Our third tip is to avoid unnecessary recalculations. If you are performing an expensive operation multiple times in your code, consider storing the result in a variable instead. This way, you can only perform the operations once and reuse the result as needed. Not only does this save computational resources, but it also makes your code cleaner and easier to understand. Tip 4 is about leveraging Python's built-in functions. Functions like sum, min, max, and sorted are highly optimized and can often outperform custom implementations. By using these built-in functions, you ensure that your code is both efficient and easy to read. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these tools, as they can save your time and effort. Here, we are using sorted function, which is a Python built-in function. Finally, our fifth tip is to regularly profile your code. Tools like cProfile give you detailed insights into your code's performance by showing which functions are consuming the most time. By identifying bottlenecks, you can make data-driven optimizations, ensuring that your code runs as efficiently as possible. Profiling should be a regular part of your development process, helping you keep your database and code base lean and fast. Sometimes you may think, why does my code take so long to run? Python profilers can answer that question. It tells you which part of the code took how long to run. Now, this lets you focus on that particular part and achieve efficiency. cProfile is a built in Python module that can perform profiling. It is the most commonly used profiler currently. But why cProfile is preferred? It gives you the total runtime taken by the entire code. It also shows the time taken by each individual step. This allows you to compare and find which parts needed optimization. cProfile module also tells the number of times certain functions being called. The data inferred can be exported easily using pstats module. The data can be visualized nicely using Snakeviz module. And there you have it. 5 simple tips to optimize your code. By applying these strategies, you can write code that's not only efficient but also easy to maintain and understand. Remember, good coding practices are about more than just getting the job done. They are about creating solutions that are scalable, readable, and performant. Thanks for watching.